Hi, Melanie here with Bell Camper Sales. I'm here to show you this 2005 Jayco Jay Feather 29N. This is a 360-degree video, so please take the time to look around as I share some of the highlights of this travel trailer. In the back here, one of the spacious areas in the living room, you do have a nice open window for a great view parked at the lake with dual recliners in the back. This also features a lot of overhead storage bins here, as well as some lighting over your chairs. This does have a pull-out sofa that does make into a bed here with a lot more overhead storage and some additional lighting over the sofa. Opposite of that is your entertainment center where your TV and a PlayStation or game system may go, with some more storage here, as well as a camp grill that's stored there for outdoor usage. This particular trailer does have two entrances, one here into the living area as well as a private entrance into the bedroom. Here in the dining room, you do have a dining that seats four, but also does convert to a sleeping area. Above that is more storage area as well as your sound system. In the kitchen area, you do have a dual sink, the nice window above, lighting above your sink area, and some more overhead storage. This does have a microwave, as well as a hood vent, a 3-burner stove, and an oven. Moving on here, we have the refrigerator and freezer on top. This is a hybrid refrigerator. It's gas and electric. And then you have a very large closet where you could hang things, as well as store, has some pull-out storage. And next we're going to move to the bathroom. Here in the bathroom, you do have a tub and shower combo, sink with a vanity mirror, some more storage here, the foot pedal toilet, more cabinet space here, as well as your outlets. In the bedroom here, you will see that you have a queen bed. You have dual closets on both sides of the bed. You open up with a lot of storage here. You have some overhead storage with lighting and a window in your bedroom, along with your outlets on the side. And beside the bed, this one actually has 2 drawers on either side for more storage, and then your private entrance. It does have a screen that will pull closed for more privacy, as well as connections for your TV. We do hope that you'll come and visit us here at Bell Camper. We're located on North Highway 75 here in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. My name is Melanie. I hope you come see me and check out some of our fine line of RVs.